Hi again. Just an update on my Haller 1940s clock. The donor movement came today. As you can see, it needs a good overhaul, but it is all in running condition. Just needs a good overhaul. So I'm going to strip it all, clean it, and I will update you afterwards. Found the correct pendulum. Oh, it's just striking. That's good. So I've got the correct pendulum. Actually fits on perfect. Look at that, look. From my walkabout at the boot sale, I managed to have some stuff already. So I'm lucky, so that fits. I think the hander probably will fit because it's the same donor movement. So I've got two choices here. I could use this movement and use some of the parts out of that clock, or put the parts from this movement into that clock. But to be honest, I think this is the slightly better condition, as you can see. With a little clean, that should come up really nice. And so I think I might use that one. And I always like the pendulum type clocks, more so than the floating balance on these old clocks. So I think I may go for that. But we see how it runs. I'll give it a quick test. It's very sluggish because obviously it needs a service. But apart from that, all the springs are good and all the parts. I can now make a nice clock out of this. So I'm quite pleased. Anyway, I'll see you later. Bye guys.